Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to today's Bitcoin update for Saturday 24th of September. Alright, so here we are, and right now we are still looking quite ugly, right? So I've been telling you back to back again and again that it's not a good idea to trade unless we don't actually break above $20,200. We're still not doing that, okay? It's all of this, it's just a drop to the downside, a green candle to think that it's going to go up, a drop to the downside, a green candle to think it's going to go up, again another drop, a green candle to think it's going to go up. But I told you we need to make confirmations, and there's no confirmation about any reversal to go back to the upside unless we're not coming back up to $20,200. The debate actually starts when you cross $20,200. That's when you actually can say that now it's time to actually think that there could be chances of going up. Now this is a downtrend. As a matter of fact, I do see Bitcoin just doing nothing more than it came down here, make a bear flag, and the technical target is not still met. So we could potentially be looking at a drop from there to there, and we're still looking for Bitcoin to actually come down to $17,400, which is pending in my opinion. Now regarding yesterday's green pump and whatever, all right, so here we are. We did have a little bit of an inverted hammer, so this candlestick is gonna be the inverted hammer. We had one big huge green candle next to it, and then we have this hanging man right there. So next to it was a hanging man, and you can see the next candle is ready to go to the downside. Today's Saturday, and I do think that this hanging man is an amazing recipe to make Bitcoin go to the downside. Now if you however do come down here, I guess tomorrow you can actually go a little bit higher and then keep on dropping to the downside. Now all of this is just pointing towards taking out the wick down here at $17,500, $17,600 and go even lower. And my personal take is that there could be chances that it's just looking to continue and make reversal wave, because we've lost the golden ratio. Put a tick on the golden ratio. We're looking to come down to 1.618, which is $14,111. That's what it makes sense to me right now at the moment currently. There's one more thing I did actually notice on the 4-hour time frame a little bit here. So let's move on to the 4-hour time frame. In my opinion, it's like we're putting some sort of a continuation pattern, which is going to be the following. Perhaps this can actually start to be a descending triangle right here, okay? So descending triangle like this, you make a descending triangle like that, and it's a continuation pattern, okay? Bearish continuation pattern. Now it doesn't mean you cannot break to the upside. You can break to the upside and then try to move up to $19,600. But then again, you have this upper resistance as well. Just gonna zoom in a little bit like that. So keep in mind this resistance with one touch, second touch, whatever happens, if you try to break back up, you can go up again, and this line can act as a big resistance again and try to move to the downside as well. Now if however this one plays out to be a descending triangle, we could be looking at Bitcoin to actually move from there to there, and we could be talking about Bitcoin going all the way down to nearly $15,000. You can see that. So that's pretty much very close to that 1.618 price level that I just showed you. And that's pretty much it for this update on Bitcoin. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.